Hello! Look at this cute new printer. This is so cute I couldn't resist. So HP of course, and this is a ThinkJet, and actually this is the first ThinkJet, the first inkjet printer from the early 80s, and lo and behold you can still find cartridges for it. So this is actually a significant printer historically. It's the one that kind of revolutionized the printing industry and became this big hit for HP for the inkjets. And this one is an A model, so it is a, how they call it, it's an HP 2225, it's written somewhere, HP 225A, and A means it has the HP IB. So that's the very original one meant to work on HP equipment. For example, my HP 85 will work with it. And later they made HP IL, portable, serial, and eventually parallel port ones. So let's see how this cutesy works. We'll connect it over there. So of course that's an HPIB port, so it goes on top of all my other HPIB equipment. There you go. And you have to set the address over here. This one is set to address 9. And so back in front, and not much to it. One, you have put a paper, just do that thing, and then it has line and form feed. Should be ready to go. But before we do this one, of course, this one came out of competition against something like this one. My another early 80s printer, Daisy Wheel. So let's compare all of them a little bit first. This guy is a serial printer, so there's a few magic commands I have to do. I wrote them all here because I can never remember. So it's printer is 10, that's my serial interface, 80 columns, and then since I don't have the interface set up for the right bitrate by default, I have to output some magic commands. That's to make it work at 2400 bauds, and that's to set it to odd parity and one stop. Boom. Right. Okay, so here we go. So now if we do a P list, we should get this one in motion, and you have seen it in my previous videos. And the sheer clunkiness of it is the fun of the thing. It works, but man, it's pokey. It keeps going and going and going and going and going. Okay, no, still not done it. Come on. It's a YouTube video. We don't have all that time. Alright. Okay, still doing it. While it's doing it, let's change printer. So here we have to do, it's a little simpler. Finally did it. So let's change printer. Printer is 709, so that's an address 9 on my 7 HPIB interface and 80 columns. And let's do the same thing, plist, And now it should make the other one work. It makes no noise. And it's way faster. And it's smaller. And it's better. And that's why it won in the end. So let's compare the two. Do that with one hand. Alright, so that's the output of the ThinkJet. And this guy has a nub. And that's the output of the daisy wheel. And the daisy wheel is far superior in print quality. You would use that to print a letter, but this one is so much faster and so much lighter. It was never to look back, and it won the war. So you don't see any of the daisy wheels anymore. And then let's not forget, we have a third printer. Printer is 2, and that's the local one. And that one makes even less noise. It's even faster. Of course, it has only 32 columns. I'm not sure it's faster actually. I think it's slower. But it's very convenient. So here you go, story of 3 printers and a small and cute printer that was to revolutionize the whole printing industry. The HP 2225A.